Now let's solve the problem. What you need to do is maximize over the apartment location X, basically your total benefit from living there, which is the benefit of the location minus the cost of commuting. This is equivalent substituting the formulas to maximize over X the benefit, which is given by 10 minus X squared minus the cost, which remember was given by A times W minus X squared. Now, to solve the problem, as we have seen, we need to take first the first order conditions, which in this case are given by just taking the derivative minus 2x plus 2a w minus x equals to 0. Now, if you do a little bit of algebra on your own and solve for this, this implies that x star should be equal to w a divided by 1 plus a. Now, that gives us a formula for the locations that satisfy the first order condition, and this is the only thing that we get. But remember, we also need to check the second order condition. And to do that, basically, we take the second derivative of the objective function, which is equal to the derivative of the derivative with respect to x, and this gives us minus 2 minus 2a, which is less than 0, since a, as we saw, was a positive constant. Now, this gives us the solution for the optimal location given by w times a divided by 1 plus a. Now, I like emphasizing the economic intuition of all of these problems just to start building your economic intuition muscles that are a very useful skill to have in life and certainly in the social sciences. Notice the following. If the location of the office is equal to 0, remember that you are living in a line, the city in which you live is a line, so downtown is 0, the work is there. So if the location of your work is at 0, the optimal solution is 0, which is very intuitive. You like living downtown and you don't like commuting, so you should live there. However, if the two are apart, as is shown in this example, what the formula is telling you is that you're going to live a distance away from downtown towards the location of your work W, which is going to be given by a fraction a over 1 plus a. Notice that when a is equal to 0, in other words, there are no cost of commuting, not surprisingly, you end up living downtown. However, as a goes to infinity, you start hating more and more commuting. This ratio, a over 1 plus a, goes to 1, and you get closer and closer to living near to your work.